Hello, my name is Sean Casimir Borden. I am 17 years old and I am a self-made entrepreneur. I am going to be talking a little bit about my life, my goals, why you should watch me, what I'm doing to potentially benefit you, and then you can just decide if you want to stay along for my multiple year journey on YouTube. But like I said, I am 17 years old. I have started my own company, a window cleaning company. And I know you might think, oh, one of those, small window cleaning gigs, side hustle, $200 a day, maybe. No, I've scaled my business to quite a bit, making over $1,000 a day profit. Around like 1,500 in sales, depending on the day. But I have even scaled my business to making up the words of 10K this summer. If you want proof, here is May. Yes. So May's earnings a little bit under 10,000. Today is June 17th. We have over is $1,300 projected, $1,300 in sales today. I did this pretty much all by myself. I have a worker who works for me. I've scaled my business to consistently making over $1,000 a day, and it was pretty simple. Watching my journey, I want to take you guys with me to see some of my very first big goals. Buying a property, getting up to $20,000-$30,000 months, multiple workers, multiple successes and small wins behind the scenes that nobody else really will see. These problems that I will be facing, potentially you have faced or are going to face. You can just watch my story. Hopefully I'll see you all. And yeah, you guys have a great day.